Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to make radishes soup with carrot and radish. Hope you like it. Red and white radish soup, nutritious and wholesome. Packed with vitamins and fiber, this soup is a healthy delight. Light, savory, and naturally sweet. It's a heartwarming dish perfect for all ages. Ingredients: radish, carrot, ginger. Peel and shredded carrot. Shredded carrot in soup. The finely shredded carrots add a crisp, subtly sweet texture to the soup, absorbing the broth for extra flavor. When cooked just right, they soften slightly while retaining a tender bite, creating a delightful contrast. The translucent radish shreds melt on the tongue while retaining a delicate crunch, like jade ribbons in broth. Simmered to perfection, they release a mellow sweetness that lingers, with the radish's signature earthy fragrance. A dash of white pepper elevates the harmony. The spicy warmth and natural sweetness dance together, awakening both palate and vitality. Chopped ginger. Adding ginger to radish soup not only balances its cooling nature, but also enhances the broth's depth with a fragrant kick. The spice's warmth helps dispel cold and soothe the stomach, perfect for chilly weather. Sauteing ginger until fragrance deepens its spicy aroma, creating a richer broth while boosting its cold-fighting properties. The infused ginger oil gives the soup a golden hue and a soothing warmth, ideal for chilly days or when feeling under the weather. Add shredded radishes and stir-fry. Stir-frying radish shreds until caramelized unlocks a deep umami flavor, transforming the broth into a richly layered delight. This technique seals in the vegetable's natural sweetness, resulting in a creamy white soup with comforting, earthy notes. Add fried radishes into soup pot. Pour enough water to cover the shredded radish. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon mushroom powder. After the soup boils, cover the pot and simmer on low heat for about 10 minutes. Soup is done and ready to be served. The high fiber and antioxidants aid digestion and combat oxidative stress. Glucosinolates and beta-carotene boost immunity against seasonal illnesses. Its gentle texture eases consumption for those with dental challenges. Folate and potassium support heart health by regulating blood pressure. Slow cooking enhances nutrient bioavailability while warming the body. Those with weak spleen, stomach, or chronic diarrhea or radish may worsen cold-type symptoms. People taking tonic herbs like ginseng, its chest-breaking effect counters supplementation. Hypotensive, hypoglycemic individuals may amplify blood pressure, sugar reduction. Hypothyroidism patients' excess raw intake affects iodine utilization. Post-surgery, debilitated persons cooked in moderation is safer. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Eye protection and anti-aging ***. Rich in beta-carotene converted to vitamin A, carrots help delay age-related vision decline and prevent night blindness, macular degeneration. Immunity boost ***. Antioxidants like vitamin C and lycopene enhance resistance to infections, especially during seasonal transitions. Gut and blood sugar support ***. High fiber aids digestion and prevents constipation, while its low glycemic index benefits diabetics. There are more delicious, easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.